European Union provides assistance for COVID-19 vaccinations in Africa. The European Commission is collaborating with the African Centers for Disease Control and Prevention plus other partners to ensure fast and safe administering of the vaccine throughout the continent. Of the total 100 million euros funding, 25 million euros has been allocated for increasing the capacity of health authorities and care staff, purchasing equipment and aiding the coordination of vaccine campaigns. The bulk of the donation, 65 million euros, will be used to facilitate the vaccination program for populations that are in regions difficult to access or in conflict. The European Union is a recipient of 4 Shining World Leadership Awards for Humanitarianism, 2 Shining World Leadership Awards for Peace, and a Shining World Leadership Award for Earth Protection, as well as a laureate of 2 Shining World Leadership Awards for Humanitarianism and Shining World Leadership Awards for Compassion, Unconditional World Care, and True Caring. Our sincere thanks and heaven's praises, European Union and partners. May the friendly people of Africa be protected in divine mercy.
Maternal and child health in India worsens due to the pandemic. The United Nations Children's Fund, or UNICEF, and United Kingdom headquartered nonprofit Save the Children are sounding warnings about the detrimental effects of the pandemic on women and children in India. With the number of COVID-19 cases and fatalities at record highs, hospitals and clinics have not had the resources to care for infants and mothers, including during pregnancy and birth. They have not been able to receive immunizations or treatment for issues like diarrhea or pneumonia. In addition, nutrition centers have been forced to close, enhancing malnutrition. A report by Save the Children conducted before the second COVID wave had already indicated a 15% increase in child mortality. Now, the toll is expected to be even higher. Our prayers for India and so many other countries in a similar situation around the globe. In heaven's grace, may we all band together and act quickly to stop the pandemic, foremost by adopting a plant-based lifestyle.
Elementary school alleviates COVID-19 stress with yoga. Kids who attend Beecher Hills Elementary in Atlanta, Georgia, United States, are now able to turn to yoga and meditation to help them deal with the stress of the pandemic and excel at school. The opportunity has come about thanks to a collaboration between Atlanta Public Schools and the Namaste Project. The program was created by education, yoga, and health experts with the goal of bringing social-emotional learning to students, teachers, and families during the pandemic. The American Academy of Pediatrics endorses the benefits of meditation for children and encourages teachers to incorporate mindfulness training into their lesson plans. Bravo, Atlanta Public Schools and the Namaste Project. May young people everywhere have such opportunities to experience inner peace and strength in celestial love.
Method developed to recycle rare earth metals safely. Researchers from Deakin University in Australia, in collaboration with the non-profit Technology Research and Innovation in Spain, have discovered a way to extract the substances from old batteries, computers, mobile phones, and more in a safe and cleaner way. Rare earth metals are currently crucial to the production of much of our green technology. Yet, mining to access them is hazardous to the environment and human health. The new recycling method called electrodeposition uses a low voltage along with a salt solution. After testing the technique on neodymium, which is in very high demand due to its exceptional magnetic qualities, the team was able to pull out the substance successfully in high purity without any side effects. Way to go, Deakin University and Technology Research and Innovation scientists. In heaven's support, may such considerate and needed solutions soon be used in the industrial setting, moving us all towards a greener future.
Unique Rescue Team helps cats stuck in trees. Brothers Jason and E.J. Turner from St. Louis, Missouri, United States, are the founders of Atypical Cat Rescue. With a love for animals, they use their skills as arborists and professional tree climbers to bring cats down from trees. as it is unsafe for homeowners and even some less equipped fire departments to do so. Recently, the brothers rescued a feline named Italy, who was high up in a tree outside her home for more than a day, unable to make her way down. According to Italy's caregiver, Wakita Jones, the cat provides comfort to her 8-year-old grandson who has post-traumatic stress disorder. The tenors brought the sweet animal to the ground free of charge. A heartfelt round of applause, Jason and EJ Turner, for your loving service. May adventurous Italy and her human companions have many more delightful years together in divine joy.
Vegan student wins case after refusing to participate in animal livestock raising lessons. Fiji Willets, a student at South Gloucestershire and Stroud College in England, learned that one of her courses required lessons on how to breed and raise animals for meat. This would entail students visiting a working farm and possibly a slaughterhouse. Miss Willets did not want to go against her vegan beliefs and raised her concerns, but nevertheless faced failing the course. With vegan rights advocate Dr. Jeanette Rowley helping to make a legal case, the college eventually agreed to provide Miss Willets a more suitable study module alternative. Dr. Rowley explained that vegans in the UK have the protection of human rights and equality law, and that schools are required to consider their programs' effects on vegan students. We applaud you, Fiji Willets, for standing by your conscience. With thanks also to Dr. Jeanette Rowley and South Gloucestershire and Stroud College. May all barbaric practices towards our animal co-inhabitants become a thing of the past in divine magnanimity.
Australian communities help to count endangered possums. Based in Western Australia's Busselton City, local conservation agency Geocatch has launched the 7th ringtail tally event to collect a 1 month of survey data on the endangered Western ringtail possum. After decades of severe population decline, primarily due to the drying climate and habitat loss, the tree-dwelling possums now depend on urban backyards for food, water, and shelter. Dr. Jeff Barrett, regional ecologist at the Department of Biodiversity, Conservation and Attractions, who has been collecting the annual survey data, said the possum's population has appeared to stabilize recently. Over 1,000 possums were spotted last year in the backyards of local volunteers in Busselton City, up from around 600 counted in 2016. Many thanks for your caring work. Geocatch, Dr. Jeff Barrett, and community members. May we soon coexist harmoniously with all the precious beings on our planet in God's approval.